Welcome in my math step-by-step class. In today's fraction part 16, we will do multiplication of fractions, and I hope you are following my previous videos, and I'm very happy with your response, and it is giving me energy that you are responding. Yes, first multiplication of fractions. See, in multiplication of fractions, see, as we have done in addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction, that we have to take LCM, but in multiplication no need to take LCM, right? And no need to make denominator equal. So see, question is there, 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, so equal to, you have to only multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here simply we will write 1 into 1 and 3 into 2. Answer will be 1 upon 6. Correct? Okay. Now second question, 1 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Then 1 into 4, 5 into 5. Answer will be 1 4 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25. Simple. Then in another type of fraction multiplication, one whole number and another is fraction. So 3 into 2 by 9. So you will multiply 3 into 2 by 9, and see, you can check also if these two numbers in cross means one numerator and one denominator, both are in the same table, you can cancel them. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, or you can do, see, earlier also I have told you, you have to follow your school pattern as your teacher is instructing you and as you are understanding properly. So it's your wish to solve these. So I have cancelled it, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. So answer is 2 upon 3. Simple. Then another question, 5 into 2, 1 upon 5. So here mixed fraction is there. So first we will do mixed into improper fraction. So here 5 into 5 2 ja 10 and 1 11. So I will write 11 upon 5, right? So 5 is there, so we can cancel 5. So I have taken another step and showed you to this, cancel this 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5. So answer is 11. Okay, you can do like this also, 5 into 11 upon 5, 1 1 here also in this step equal to 11, right? After this, see, in multiplication you have to only check in cross way in numerator denominator whether they are in the same table or not. Now after this, another question I have taken, see, okay, so here question is 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. 4 upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 3. So we will multiply this one, 4 into 2 and 5 into 3. Answer will be 4 2 ja 8 and 5 3 ja 15. So simple answer. And another question, 5 upon 6 into 3. So here 5 upon 6 into 3, we will check the question whether they can, is there any common common table from which we can cancel. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So answer is 5 1 ja 5 and 2 is there. So I will write 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 is improper fraction. I have changed this into this one, mixed fraction. So 2 2 ja 4 and 1 remainder. So QRD form we have done. You can check in my previous videos. Then another question is 3 upon 8 multiply by 1 upon 8. So here 3 upon 8 we will write as it is, and we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 8 1 ja 8 and plus 1 9. So it will become 9 upon 8. So after this I will multiply numerator with numerator. So 3 9 ja 27 and 8 8 ja 64. Right? So this is the answer. And the last question, 5 upon 8 into 6. So 5 upon 8 into 6. So see, 6 and 8 both are coming in the table of 2. So 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. After this HCF is 1, so we will not cancel now. Then 5 3 ja 15 and 4 is there. So I will write 15 upon 4, and 15 upon 4 is improper fraction. So we will change into mixed fraction. So 3 4 ja 12 and remainder is 13 14 15. So I will write 3 upon 4, and this is the answer. right? I hope all is clear to you, and see, practice from your books, take more questions, and always check your answers properly. If you will practice more and more question, so you can easily make your mind how to do the sum, how to solve the sum. So I think all is clear to you, and this is very important, multiplication of fractions. In future we will do many more questions, many exercises, and many simplification, in which we will use this application of these multiplication of fractions. Okay, so keep following my videos, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, so that I can make more videos for you, and videos will be fruitful for many children, many students, and whoever want to study. So see you next class, and have a very, very happy new year.